Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intelligently designed compact motorhomes of the upcoming season, the 2026 KNAUS Tourer Van 500 LT. This van is built for travelers who want maximum comfort in a minimal footprint, combining the reliability of Volkswagen engineering with KNAUS's smart interior layouts. If you want a motorhome that drives like a car but lives like a full RV, you're gonna love this one. So sit back and let's explore every detail of the Tourer Van 500 LT. Right from the exterior, you can tell this is a modern and sleek design. Built on the VW T6.1 chassis, the Tourer Van maintains a compact overall length of around 5.9 meters. This means it's extremely maneuverable, almost like driving a family van instead of a bulky motorhome. Parallel parking in city streets or tight campgrounds becomes much easier. The lines are clean, the front fascia is clearly Volkswagen, and the KNAUS accents around the sides and rear give it a premium European touring look. The high roof is fully integrated, not just added on, which gives the van a more aerodynamic shape and helps reduce noise at higher speeds. There's also a wide electric entry step, large tinted windows with privacy blinds, an optional side awning, and exterior access storage lockers. For outdoor travelers, the rear storage box can hold camping chairs, tools, hoses, and even small sports equipment. You also get optional roof-mounted solar panels for off-grid power, making it ideal for long adventures. Stepping into the cab, Volkswagen's comfort stands out immediately. The seats are high quality, ergonomically shaped, and supportive for long drives. Both seats swivel to become part of the living area. The dashboard is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, featuring a clear digital display, steering wheel controls, and an advanced infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and Bluetooth all come standard. The van includes safety features such as lane assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic braking, hill hold support, and even crosswind stabilization, a huge benefit for windy highways. Entering the living area, the feeling is surprisingly spacious for such a compact motorhome. The 500 LT layout is centered around a front lounge with two long side benches. These benches are wide enough for relaxing, lounging, or even working on a laptop. The table in the middle is adjustable and removable, allowing you to create an open space when needed. The windows around the lounge are large, bringing in plenty of daylight, and the LED ambient lighting give the interior a warm evening glow. Materials are soft to the touch, the upholstery feels durable but premium, and the color scheme is modern and bright. The insulation in this van is excellent as well, keeping the interiors quiet even when you're near busy roads or campsites. The heating system is a Truma Combi option, which ensures fast and efficient warmth on cold nights. Ventilation is just as good, thanks to roof vents and well-positioned windows. Next to the lounge is the compact but highly functional kitchen. KNAUS has done a great job maximizing this space. You get a 2-burner gas stove with glass cover, a stainless steel sink, and a 90-liter refrigerator with a proper freezer section. The countertop includes a folding extension piece when you need extra space for cooking. The storage drawers are soft close and divided for utensils, spices, and cookware. The overhead cabinets are large enough to hold several days' worth of food. While it's not a big kitchen, it's very comfortable for preparing meals on the road. The bathroom in the Tourer Van 500 LT is another impressive feature considering the van's size. The washroom includes a swivel toilet, a fold-away sink, integrated shower equipment, shelving units, and a ventilation window. KNAUS uses a flexible, variable bathroom style, where the wall panel slides or flips to create more shower space when needed. It's a clever design that ensures you don't sacrifice comfort in a compact van. Everything is sealed properly for easy cleaning and moisture control. When it comes to sleeping, the Tourer Van 500 LT offers two excellent options. The main bed is created by converting the front lounge into a large double bed. The cushions are supportive, and the resulting sleeping surface is wide and comfortable for 2 adults. For travelers who want more sleeping capacity, there was an optional pop-up roof that expands into a second sleeping area above the van. This rooftop bed is surprisingly spacious, with ventilation mesh, reading lights, and a comfortable foam mattress. This makes the van ideal even for families or groups of 3 to 4 people. Storage is one of the biggest strengths of the Tourer Van 500 LT. Despite its compact size, the van includes deep overhead cabinets, a wardrobe with hanging space, underseat compartments, hidden storage areas for valuables, and rear exterior storage with easy access. Every cabinet has solid hinges and soft close mechanisms, which helps maintain a peaceful atmosphere inside while driving. KNAUS uses lightweight but durable materials to ensure storage is strong without increasing overall vehicle weight. In terms of utilities, the van comes equipped with fresh and wastewater tanks suitable for weekend trips or extended travel. The Truma heating system, optional hot water system, excellent insulation, and double-glazed windows maintain comfort in all seasons. The electrics are well organized, and with optional solar panels, you can easily stay off-grid longer. The soundproofing is excellent, reducing engine noise and road vibration while driving. On the road, the Tourer Van 500 LT is one of the smoothest and easiest compact motorhomes to drive. The VW T6.1 engine is responsive, fuel-efficient, and reliable. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making bumps and uneven roads feel much lighter. The compact size means you can explore narrow European streets or tight campgrounds with confidence. Even for first-time RV owners, this van feels very manageable. Overall, the 2026 KNAUS Tourer Van 500 LT is designed for travelers who want a compact motorhome with huge versatility. It's perfect for couples, solo adventurers, weekend campers, digital nomads, or even small families with the pop-up roof option. You get smart German engineering, Volkswagen reliability, and an interior that makes every inch count. It's stylish, practical, and built for real travel, not just for show. If you're looking for a motorhome that's easy to drive, easy to park, low maintenance, lightweight, and surprisingly spacious inside, the Tourer Van 500 LT deserves a spot on your shortlist. KNAUS has truly created one of the best compact motorhomes of the year. If you enjoyed this full review and want more RV content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which RV or camper van you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.